In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish instead of send using Google Forms, following the latest update. This is a really handy feature if you're looking to share your forms more broadly than ever before, without the usual email or link restrictions. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to go ahead and open your Google form. This can be any form you've been working on, or a new one you've just started. Make sure everything is set the way you like it, because we're about to make it publicly accessible. Now, once you've got your form open and ready, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Share button. Click on it. This is the gateway to making your Google form available for everyone. Now, once you've clicked the Share button, you'll find yourself in the General Access section. Here, a crucial decision awaits. If you aim to make your form accessible to the public, ensure the option labeled Restricted is unchecked. When you uncheck the Restricted box, you're allowing anyone with the link to access your form. This step is vital if you want the wide dissemination of your form without troubles tied to individual permissions. The next step is to click on the Publish button. This is where the real magic happens. By clicking Publish, you're making your form live, essentially turning it from a private document into a publicly accessible one. It's a straightforward click, but it opens up a world of possibilities for sharing and visibility. Lastly, once you've published your form, you'll be given a link. This link is your ticket to sharing your form with a larger audience. You can copy this link and paste it pretty much anywhere you can think of, whether that's on your website, included in an email, or even across your various social media channels. This flexibility is what makes the Publish feature so powerful. Remember, being able to share your form widely means more responses, more engagement, and the ability to reach a broader audience. So use this advantage wisely to gather the data, opinions, or feedback you're seeking. And there you have it. That's how you can publish, rather than just send, a Google form. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of this update and boosts your form sharing game significantly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.